Let's talk about the different kinds of rafts, both motorized and non-motorized, and how they are used in the Grand Canyon. Motorized rafts hold up to 14 passengers per raft. Typically, 2 rafts launch per trip. They reach a top speed of 8 miles an hour, which is great if you want to see the most with a shorter trip duration. They provide increased river accessibility to the public, including children as young as 8, elderly, and people with disabilities to have access to the river. They are generally considered more stable and less likely to flip than non-motor options. There is a slight hum of the motor that can be heard on these trips, but you could always go up front and catch some big waves. Most motorized trips will also carry cots, opposed to ground pads for when you're sleeping at camp. These are the 3 motorized rig types with their seating arrangements. The S rig is the most commonly run type, followed by the J rig. Each of these rig types is about 30 feet long. Keep in mind that the canyon is about 90% smooth water, which makes motorized rafting the preferred choice for a lot of people. There is also the one-day trip motorized raft, which is a bench-style 22-foot snout rig that holds 8 passengers and runs the last 50 river miles of the Grand Canyon. Next, I'm going to talk about the non-motorized types of rafts, which include oar rafts, paddle rafts, and dory boats. These are all the human-powered options. Oar rafts can carry 4 passengers, 2 up front and 2 in the back. The guide is seated in the middle and is responsible for doing all the rowing on an oar raft. Measuring between 15 and 18 feet long, these rafts are relatively comfortable and stable, and allow you to see the canyon at a leisurely 3 to 4 mile per hour pace. The minimum age for oar rafts is 12 years old. Paddle rafts hold 6 passengers and 1 guide in the back. You are actively required to help paddle the raft forward while the guide does the steering from the back. This is a great way to see the canyon if you want a lot of engagement and excitement. With that also comes the highest probability of taking an unplanned swim. The minimum age for paddle rafts is 14 to 16 depending on the outfitter. Dories are hard-sided boats made out of aluminum, wood, and fiberglass combinations. They carry 4 passengers and have the guide doing all the rowing from the middle. They are a high-performance craft that can be a fun ride, but they are more prone to flipping. There are a variety of different hybrid trips available. Typically, it will have 4 to 5 oar rafts and 1 community paddle raft you can switch in and out of. Occasionally, you will have a dory or inflatable kayak as well. Motorized trips will camp in groups of about 30, while non-motorized trips camp in smaller groups of about 20. You can expect more creature comforts on your motorized trip, such as sleeping cots, cocktail ice, and games, due to its increased capacity. The non-motorized trips will be more rugged and simplistic. Some non-motor trips also have a motorized support boat tailing behind. This allows for more of those creature comforts on your trip. Here at Rivers and Oceans, we are dedicated to helping you find your next adventure. We're a free of charge service, and we always guarantee the same cost as booking direct. Give us a call or visit our website today. We'll get you on the river.